I write this as an old soldier who has carried the weight of the nation on his shoulders since the days of the liberation struggle. I've buried comrades in unmarked graves. I have seen brothers fall for a Zimbabwe we believed in, not for one man, not for a dynasty, but for the people and the revolution. Today, with a heavy heart, heavier than my battlefield I have known, I must speak plainly. Sana mashukuru chako hapa na General Scout Apranga. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mnangagwa is the worst president this country has ever had. He has weakened Zambia like never before. The party that withstood Smith's regime, that survived internal storms and international sanctions, is now being hollowed out from within by patronage, fear, and division. Where once there was discipline and collective purpose, there is now confusion, faction, and desperate scramble for survival. The Liberation Party is being turned into a personal vehicle, and its foundations are cracking ways. Still, the blood of our generals flow. More senior officers of the Zimbabwe National Army have met untimely and suspicious ends under this administration than in the actual war zone of Ukraine. These were men who commanded battalions, who defended the Republic, who stood firm during Operation Restore Legacy. They did not die on the battlefield facing the enemy. They died while serving a system that now fears its own protectors. Nobody is asking the hard questions. Nobody is investing with sincerity. The silence from the top is deafening, and the who surrounds this president criminals. To the veterans, do not sell your legacy for crumbs. To the people, your suffering is not invisible. The economy bleeds, the youth flee, their old heroes are disrespected, and still they tell you while treating the real builders like enemies. I am an old soldier. I fear no one but God and judgment of history. Zimbabwe deserves better than this. Thomas Comrade Tokopanapa, na retired Lieutenant Scout Apranga. Pina comment section ya luza hundra email kulivanzura mashukage. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.